Okay, so we've got some points following our discussion about problem solving. So by asking problem solving questions, basically the interviewer wants to know the type of barriers you faced, how you overcame these barriers, and what was the process you used. So define a problem, describe how you dealt with it. Also, it is good to put into your story, because it's going to be story about a problem you've solved yourself. Um, the fact that you actually used some sources to find information, so finding facts. How do you evaluate your decisions? How do you establish priorities? So prioritizing, important. How, why, and how. Um, it is important to be fair, and especially in problems that you might involve other people. So fairness is important. Being fair, ability to compromise, and finding common ground. So the same kind of, you know, you ask people what the problems are, and you try to make a list of suggestions about solving the problem, and you agree together. And ability to look for alternatives. It's also very important to mention that you always have a plan B. So what alternatives do you use when your ideas, what your first way of solving a problem didn't work? So plan B. Okay, so more such videos here on this page, and especially for those who participated in a P3 project, could you please fill in the form for me? Really important for us to know what your opinions are. Thank you. And the next session coming up.